Hi guys, I'm going to repair my windshield. I have a couple of cracks from some debris from road work, and I'm going to be using the Rain-X windshield repair kit. And it states that it's best to do it when it first happens, but this happened a couple of weeks ago, and you need to clean the area, and they give you a razor blade to remove any debris, any loose glass, which is what I'm doing now. And then you will wipe that clean. And they give you 4 suction cups with the hole, and you're supposed to put it directly above the damage. I think that's centered. And so what we're going to do next is we're going to take this sort of plunger type situation, and we're going to screw this, and it has like a rubber end, and we're going to screw this inside and onto the glass, and as you screw it, it will raise the X. And I'm going to look on the inside and see. So it has been secured in position, and you're going to take the resin, repair resin, and you're going to drop 3 drops into the chamber. Clip the tip. Whoops, that was not good. Oh well. We're going to do 3 to 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm assuming that's 6. But we secure the top. Then you're going to screw the pressure driver into the chamber. And this is supposed to remain for 4 to 6 minutes, depending on the extent of the damage. Okay, now let's remove the apparatus. It's kind of windy out here, so okay, the next step is to apply more resin. And you're going to apply a drop like that. And then you're going to use one of these. It comes with it. Spread your resin. And then you move your vehicle to the sunlight. Okay, after being in the sun for a few minutes, I think I gave it 20 minutes. It stated 5 to 10 minutes, depending on if it's dry or not. So it states to scrape at a 90-degree angle, but I'm going to try an angle that best suits me. So here goes. I can barely tell where the crack was. If you look really close, you can see it. Right, wait, it's focusing on the inside of the car.